Hi friends, welcome back. What is the difference between fast and soon? Yeah, there is spelling difference, but then there is a vast sea of difference between both of them. Fast. Fast is an adverb of speed to describe speed. The child walks fast. Fast. But when I say soon, indicates that the duration will be shorter.
And I said, it's going to be morning soon. She said no.
Hope to see you in the museum sometime soon.
And fast is the adverb of manner.
How fast we're used to moving in the contemporary day and age.
Many a times I have seen people saying to finish something soon. No, that is wrong. You can say do it fast, but not do it soon. Do it means the manner of doing something. The manner of doing something cannot be soon. It can only be fast or quick or slow. Adverb of manner, fast, and adverb of time or duration is soon. Oh, taxi wale, please drive fast. I have to reach at the airport as soon as possible. It's a bit intimidating to find yourself wrong in a group of people. So better to stick on to better usages and correct usages, which will in turn develop your confidence level. Thank you so much for tuning in. So good to see you all. I'll be here soon with another exciting and interesting topic. Stay tuned.